What is up, guys? Today, the MK1 GTI project is getting low. Alrighty guys, so I got the old struts off. Actually went very well. It's really awesome that this car is from Colorado because there's like zero rust, so all the bolts just came right off. Everything is sweet. Shows really how bad these struts are. Like, no wonder this car drives so bad. You can see here, I just pushed it down and the strut didn't even come back out. So excited to put these Racelands on here. They're Raceland Ultimos, so we'll see how they go. We got new upper strut mounts here. The old ones were just squished. You could see that they had play, so that'll be way sweeter. And we'll get these on the car. Cannot wait to see how it's gonna drive and feel. Alrighty guys, so got the old struts out. They're totally shot, so it's good to get those out. I prepped all this. You can see I cleaned it up real good, and I painted the whole axle and the sway bar there, so that just looks so much better. I love making stuff nicer as it goes, so that looks really sweet. Eventually we'll do the wheel well and clean that all up, but I want to do all that easy stuff, especially like the mount and stuff right there for the strut. You can see the struts here, they're ready to go in. I'm using the same Monroe bushings that I used on the front. They just work really sweet. Like, really good replacement for the factory. You can see here I used the grease gun. I just greased my threads all up, so I'll stick it in. I don't know how far I want it up yet, so just put it above there, and then I'll run my threads up there, and I'll keep it all greased up. I just want to keep it real greased so there's no corrosion down the road, so you can continue to adjust them. So I think it should all be good. We're ready to go back in, so we'll see how this works out. Alrighty guys, so we got the Raceland Ultimos on the GTI. Very happy, super easy install. The car has like no rust, so all the bolts and everything came right out. Got new bushings, everything's set up really sweet. Cannot wait to drive it. As you can see here, we got the front really low. I'm definitely gonna bring that up. I'm not looking for slammed here, especially on OEM wheels. We're gonna keep it kind of OEM plus look for now. So I eventually probably get other wheels, then we'll maybe go lower. Back here, that's about what I'm looking for. As long as I can see the tire there, that's what I'm looking for, not totally slammed. But super happy with it. Just want to drive it. The front end here, gonna bring up a little bit. The toe is absolutely totally messed up. The tires are facing out and leaning all kinds of weird stuff. Gotta play with that before I drive it too much, because the tires are just gonna fight each other. So get that all fixed this weekend. Hopefully to do a lot of stuff on it. And we're gonna start working on the exterior then. The interior is about finished up. Exterior, can't wait to buff the whole thing. We're gonna get stripes on it. It's gonna look awesome. So super excited. Thanks for watching. Next video, you'll see this thing on the road.